The desire to build a strong and solid bond that will foster mutual coexistence, peace, progress, infrastructural development and growth formed the basis of the one-day annual conference of Umuagu to Igbo Kindred, Isiokwe Ividagleri in Anambra East local government area. Umuagu to Igbo comprises 10 families, some living across the river and others in the upland, who have come together to promote unity, uphold values of bravery and hard work, and deliberate on strategies for infrastructural development that will bind them together for generations to come. Correspondent Chinelo Onwuzlike now reports.
While performing the Kola Nut ritual, the traditional ruler of Umuagu, Igwe Johnson Onyaka Mbanefo, commended the Umuagu for the bold steps taken, describing them as being in the right direction by thinking home and contributing to community development, and called on others to emulate their efforts to ensure a serene society.
Umuagu no unity, so that they know na unity, the men deliver.
Speaking during the program, the chairman of Umuagu Igbo Kindred, Chief Chinemeli Ameke Anekwe, maintained that from time immemorial, Ndi Umuagu, as their name implies, have been the strongest and have excelled in all they do because of their bravery, adding that they came together to promote oneness and love, and called on his brothers to embrace one another and support ongoing projects for the good of all. In their separate speeches, the chairman of the occasion, Barrister Peter Madbuko, the national president of Agleri National Youth Association, Anya, Comrade Emeka Chimuba, and the President General of Unando Agleri, Chief Ifeanyi Terimokwe, stated that Ndi Umuagu is indeed living up to its name, having continued to grow from strength to strength, expanding with ideas and vision towards realizing a great Agleri that will be the envy of others.
Umuagu Igbo, Isiokwe Ividagleri, they hold this general annual conference for them to be in unity. I am Amaka Onwuzlike for ABS News.